Meaning of expansively.
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 Expansively. The term expansively refers to a manner or approach that is characterized by being open, inclusive, and broad in scope. When something is done expansively, it typically involves taking a comprehensive and generous approach, rather than one that is narrow or limited. The result of an expansive approach may be a greater sense of inclusion, collaboration, and creativity, as people are encouraged to bring different perspectives and ideas to the table. By embracing an expansive mindset, individuals and organizations may be able to achieve more meaningful outcomes that benefit a wider range of stakeholders.